Arriving at King Station. Doors will open on the right. Line 1, was on.
For the next 5 years.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Transit and pay your fare. Visit ttc.ca/fare policy for more information and to complete the survey.
Hey everyone, it's Thursday, February 4th. The time is 3:15 and the temperature outside is 2 degrees Celsius. I'm here at King Station in downtown Toronto. And I'm on my way to record a video for the Johnny Strides channel. So that means you're probably watching this on my Stumbles channel. And that video will start in the Canary District. So I just thought I would record my journey over to the start point of that video. This is King Street East here. And I could hop on a streetcar, but I don't see one coming, so let's start walking. There we go, but I'm outside and free and clear of other people, so take the mask off for now. And I think they're still filming a movie there. Last I heard it was an update to The Silence of the Lambs. So let's see if I can outwalk the streetcar here. This is the south side of King Street East, and I am heading east. And I'm using my older camera, which the horizon seems to be drifting a bit. That's why it may have moved up and down a little bit there. Hopefully it locks in. If not, we'll just have to deal with it. And I think this building here will be the future home of Google Canada. There's a 504 King Street streetcar being held up by that construction. There's a number of them here. There's 3 in a row. That's the 504B. That'll be going to Dufferin Gate at Exhibition Place. There's another 504B right behind it. And this is Church and King. Let's see if there's a streetcar coming this way. I think I see one way off in the distance there. The camera's not going to pick it up, but I should easily have time to get to the next stop. There's St. James Cathedral. That's 3 504B streetcars in a row there. So if I can get to River Street before we even see a streetcar, that means I have won the race. And I've given them a head start, as I chose not to leave just as the streetcar was leaving. I don't see any up ahead, so I think there was a fairly sizable gap. So this is Jarvis coming up. Then the next major street after that will be Sherburne, then Parliament, then River. So when I think about it, there's really no chance that a streetcar won't catch up to me, especially with traffic so dead. This is a transit priority corridor. Someone opened the door as the guy was bending over right in front of it. Yeah, here comes a couple actually. Kind of like that shot right there, but it is costing me time just to stand there and look.
How are you?
There's another 504B, so that's what? 5 streetcars now going in that direction.
Published an article so he's going on about the video.
Between the lawyers.
I'm walking a little faster than normal. Although when I'm alone, I tend to walk quite fast. And when I'm not recording, or rather when I'm recording videos, I tend to walk a bit slower. Here goes another 504B King. So if you're heading west at this time right now, you'd have no problems getting a streetcar, but if you're heading east, you might as well put your New Balances on and go for a walk. So this is Sherburne Street. So at this point, I might as well not even bother hopping on the streetcar. I just looked over my shoulder and it's still quite a ways back. This is Sherburne, and there's a look. So it's a few blocks behind me. I think that little dog could probably get there faster than this streetcar. Wonder if you can see my reflection there. And it's at Sherburne Street, so I am definitely about to get past. Maybe I could sabotage it by pressing this cross sign here and triggering the crosswalk.
We're gonna go in this door, okay?
She probably thought I was a weirdo, but you need to corral your kids. You shouldn't be taking up the whole width of the sidewalk like that. And here comes the 10,000th streetcar in the other direction. This one's the 503 Kingston Spadina via King. And here we are at Berkeley Street. Uh-oh. The jig is up. That's the 504A, my nemesis. Good match, sir.
Don't put it.
That driver probably had to go change a light bulb before he started his route, which caused the delay. At least that's my theory. There's another westbound streetcar. It always seems to be whichever direction you're going. It's the wrong direction when it comes time to catch the Toronto Transit. I noticed that yesterday when I was waiting for the 501 Queen Street bus. Ooh, maybe this is the problem. I think there's probably a switch here he had to trigger. Well, I have passed him. So that streetcar will be going to the Distillery Loop, which would actually be kind of helpful since I'm planning on starting at the Corktown Common Park. That would be not a bad spot to get off the streetcar. Until we meet again. I did not know this video was going to turn out to be a race. I thought it would be a transit video, actually. Usually when I pop out of King Street, it's not too long before a streetcar comes. Well, that's anticlimactic. And he'll be turning right just up ahead there and making his way down into the distillery. As will I. And there's Trinity Street. I recorded this street on a video about a month ago on the main channel. That dog should race that other dog we passed earlier. And here's streetcar number 2, 503. So the ratio of streetcars going eastbound versus westbound is about 1 to 1,000,000, it seems. Give or take 999,000 and something. So there's where Richmond and Adelaide and Eastern Avenue all kind of merge. And I'll be heading under Underpass Park near the start of the next video I'm filming. And there goes the original streetcar. So it's only a block ahead of me, even after all this way. And a 504. That's okay, I'm not live streaming today. I will only have this one walk planned after this. I think I just mispronounced the word really, but oh well. And this is Sumac Street. So there's where the first streetcar turned right and headed down to the Distillery Loop, which is located right around Mill Street and Front Street West, or East. And you know what? Let's abandon King Street, since I lost the race I didn't have any right to even be in, and head by the Cube House. And this is Percy Park. Here's some gorgeous old homes, and I thought the Cube House would have been a goner by now. I was reading articles that it was up for redevelopment. I don't know if it's occupied. Who's in there? It was occupied at some point. I think that's where the Ken Continuum secretly lives. And this is Eastern Avenue, not the most pedestrian-friendly street. This is kind of a dumb way I took, but I can't really walk east there, but maybe... I'll get a nice big break in traffic like this. And into the Canary District. One of the first videos I ever did for this channel, or my other channel, was a hyperlapse walk along King Street East. And I think I swung down and took a peek at this weird ass house. You know what? Maybe I'll just head through Underpass Park. Or not. You can see that on my other channel. I'm just making it up as I go, obviously. This whole housing community, most of it anyways, opened in 2016. This development started as athlete housing for the Pan Am Games. And then it was turned into condominiums and social housing. There's a YMCA here. There's George Brown College residences. And this park, which I'll be walking through, that's Underpass Park. That opened in 2012, I think. And it cost a little under $10 million, most of which was paid for by the federal government. There's a playground and skate park and basketball courts in there. Stop demolition. I would say it depends on what. There's some other stop demolition signs. I think that might be in reference to a recent project to the south of here that developers had gone ahead and started tearing down, and a last-minute injunction by the city preserved it. I might be completely wrong on that. But straight ahead is the Corktown Common Park, where I'll be starting this next video. I don't know if I should start it over there by the Front Street part of the Canary District or right here. I have no idea what I'm doing, folks. Clearly. And this is Lauren Harris Square. He was a Canadian painter and a member of the Group of Seven. This park opened in 2013 as part of the waterfront revitalization. Maybe I can remember that to mention in the next video I'm about to record. Let's just see where this takes me. It's kind of like walking through a marshlands here. And looking at the viewfinder, this reminds me why I don't like using this camera so much. The exposure is really struggling walking in this direction. And I just almost wiped out. I am wearing my trusty New Balances. If you were wondering, Not the best. Given the slop I'm walking through. Yeah, this park right here looks like a good spot to fire up the next video. Just a matter of, do I cut through the park? The struggles of making these videos. Maybe I'll just stick to Bayview Avenue here. There's a hell of a nice view though. And on that note, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this last minute half-assed walk where I unsuccessfully tried to race a streetcar. And, oh, it's trying to track my face. Thanks for watching, guys, and you can look for that video over on my Johnny Strides channel. I have no idea which one will get posted first. This video might even get posted before that one. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And I shall catch you on the next one.